All right, hi everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a video on all my puppies up and taking them outside to go potty. And so this will be my first time attempting to do this, recording it myself while trying to also get them outside. So we'll see how it goes. But I'm going to show you kind of my morning routine with the puppies. All right, so here we go. All right. So first, turn the wagon this way. They kind of like to step out of the wagon, so it's kind of a little tricky. Hi guys, good morning. Are you excited to go outside? All right, so I'm going to start taking them, putting them in the wagon. They have a tendency to get out of the wagon, so we'll see if they stay in today. Okay. Jingles, you're next. Oh, getting caught on, never mind. Squeakers is next. Squeakers, stay in the wagon. I know you like to jump out. Okay, stay in the wagon. They are very brave, and they will totally just leap right out. So, okay, come here. Oop. Okay. So, stay down. Oh, they're doing good. Oh, nope, nope. See what I mean? They just don't. They have no fear. Okay, so gotta stay in. Gotta stay in. Nope. So now, because there's carpet down. Oh, stay in. Nope, stay in. Stay in the wagon. Those are the moms. They're running out. Okay. Okay, now, no, don't jump out, please. Okay. Oh. Okay, go outside. Oh, goodness. Oh, outside. No. All right. Come on. Outside. Come on. This is kind of the tricky part. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Oh, squeakers. No. Go potty. Oh, okay. Oh, goodness. Sorry. It's hard to do this with the video camera, but I wanted to show you guys. No. Come back outside. Come on. No. This door is heavy. Ugh. Okay. Oh. Well, we made it. Oh. Okay, good job. Well, I'm now tired. All right. Okay, going potty. Good deal. Okay, this way, guys. You have to go to the grassy area. And I'm winded. Okay. All right. So, Joy, can I have my sock back? Thank you. Okay. Now, listen, you guys. You gotta go potty in the over here. This way. Okay. So good. Going potty. Oh. So this is my yard. Oh, goodness. He's climbing the rocks. Noelle is. Okay. Oh, he's going way out there to go potty. Good puppy. Go potty. Hey. Go potty. Oh, come on, you can do it. Go potty. Come here, sweetie, go potty. Some of them are pretty happy and excited to be outside. The other ones are like, it's a little cold, and which it is pretty cold, but it's not too cold this morning. It's gonna get colder later on, and when that happens, I probably won't take them out because it's supposed to be like -6, which, that's a little probably too cold for them. Don't know how I feel about that. Okay, ow, ow, that's my, listen, you know how many of these socks have like issues now because you guys like them so much? Seriously, what am I, a fishing line? All right, so we're going over there to go potty, which is, oh good, yes. Oh. Listen, you can't go potty if you're eating my foot. Ow, 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 ow. Would you let go of my sock? All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna let them go potty out here, and then while they're out here, I usually pick up their area real quick before they come in for breakfast, and then the parents go out, because whenever they wake up, especially my Nuggie, my other, not the non-mom to the puppies, she's very energetic, and she tends to kind of bowl them over a bit because she is very energetic. So I kind of let them out afterwards. Hey, ow, that's my, listen, it's not toe time. Yeah, look, here's a stick. Ready? See the stick? Go get it. Ready? Go get it. Oh gosh. Oh. Nope, nope. Go potty. That one has an itty bitty ittiest little stick I've ever seen. Oh, that's cute when they carry around little sticks. Well, that was a good jump. Mary, come on. Did you go potty? Go potty. Oh. Go potty. Go potty. Well, anyway, I'm going to go in and do that real quick so I can bring it back. So, oh my goodness. This sweater is really not a good sweater to wear with their little teethies. But, yeah. They'll get their energy out, go potty, and then I'm going to clean up their area. And then, yeah, food. Usually they come inside and they play around a little bit, then they eat breakfast, so I might do a video then. But for now, this is them outside and going potty. All right, so I'm pretty worn out, but their area is clean. So I clean out those pads. I just pull those out, and then I clean this off. I replace the rugs that need to be replaced. Sometimes they have accidents on it. So that's it, Nuggie. You'll go out in a second. So got that all taken care of, and then refill their water and make sure all their toys are good and clean. And now I'm gonna let them in. They'll go out in a second. So this is the first day that my adult dogs had to wait. So they're kind of upset about it. Come on inside. And they're very good at coming inside because they like it in here. You're gonna go back out there? Okay. I'll fetch the wagon after they go into their whelping area to eat because I don't want to run them over. And now they explore. I'm going to attempt to let the mom and dad out. But I'm afraid that they'll go running outside because they want to nurse off their mom, which could be a little tough. Might wait. Hello. I know you want mom, but you guys will probably all run outside after her, which will be kind of not good because I don't want Nuggie to jump on you. So, may wait till breakfast. Alright, can I have my feet back? No? Who is that? Who are you? Joy? You guys make it difficult to walk. well. Okay. And this is what we do. Oh my gosh. Luckily, they're still pretty little and they don't actually like usually grab me. They just grab my socks and my pants. But we got this many. Oh, that one actually does have my. Okay. Go this way. Gosh. And this way. Near them. Good job. How are you doing, Mistletoe? Or should I say Benny? Your name is gonna be Benny. I'm gonna start calling him Benny. Okay, up. Benny, watch out. Okay. Oh, hello. Alright, well, this is where I go when I don't want them to get me. The struggle is real. Okay, so Bo, Angel, Jingles, Joy, Benny, Holly, and Mary. Mary, where are you? She wants to nurse, I guess. Okay. You guys are cute. Oh, and there's Noelle over there with the white on her head. Hi, Noelle. There's Mary. Over there. Right there. Hi, Mary. You're just gonna watch from over there. Hi. Hi, Bo. Okay, well, I'm gonna probably put them in for breakfast because the parents need to go out and I really don't want them to get trampled by Nuggie because she's really excited in the mornings to get out. So, yeah, breakfast it is. Until next time.